Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a close look at the GARDENA 15201-41 SILENO Minimo automatic robotic lawnmower.
Let's get right into it. First off, let's talk about convenience. This robotic lawnmower takes the hassle out of lawn maintenance. No more pushing heavy machines or spending hours under the sun.
With the SILENO Minimo, you can sit back and relax while it does all the work for you. Now, one of the standout features of this mower is its Bluetooth connectivity.
With the GARDENA Bluetooth app, you can easily control and monitor your mower right from your smartphone. Set schedules, adjust settings, and even track its progress, all from the palm of your hand.
But it's not just about convenience, it's also about performance. The SILENO Minimo is equipped with advanced technology that ensures a precise and efficient cut every time. And with its mulching function, it helps nourish your lawn by leaving behind small clippings that act as natural fertilizer.
Now, let's talk about durability.
Made in Europe with over 20 years of experience in robotics, GARDENA has crafted a mower that's built to last.
It's weatherproof, easy to clean, and capable of tackling all types of terrain, including slopes up to 35%. And of course, we can't forget about noise level.
The SILENO Minimo is one of the quietest mowers in its class, so you can enjoy your outdoor space without any disturbances.
Wrapping up, if you're looking for a hassle-free way to maintain your lawn, the GARDENA 15201-41 SILENO Minimo automatic robotic lawnmower is definitely worth considering. Its convenience, performance, and durability make it a standout choice for any homeowner.
That's it for today's review.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.